Optoma ZX350e ultra-compact high-brightness laser projector. The ZX350e is Optoma's most compact hassle-free XGA dual-core laser projector to date. Designed for maintenance-free continuous operation, it can be installed in virtually any orientation and location due to the small and lightweight footprint. Designed with the environment in mind, the ZX350e cuts power by 47% vs a typical Optoma lamp-based product. In addition, being built around laser technology, this ensures a long product lifespan without the need for additional lamps. The Optoma ZX350e is geared for meeting rooms, medium-sized exhibition venues, events or trade shows. It maintains excellent image quality as brightness and color saturation is preserved for longer compared to lamp-based systems. Bright XGA Dura-Core Laser Projector 3700 lumens. Dura-Core Laser Technology 30,000 hours maintenance-free laser light source. Small form factor for easy installation, 1.1x zoom, 360-degree and portrait projection. Display technology, DLP. Resolution, XGA, 1024x768. Brightness 3700 lumens. Contrast ratio 30,000 to 1. Native aspect ratio 4:3. Laser life 30,000 hours. Full 3D support. Inputs 2x HDMI 1.4a 3D support. Outputs 1x audio 3.5mm. 1x USB ED power 1.5a control 1x RS232. Throw ratio 1:94 to 1, approximately 2.16:1. Projection distance 1 meter to 10 meters. Zoom 1.1. Zoom type, manual. Focal length 21.85 to 24.01. Native offset 115%. 24/7 operation, yes. 360 degrees operation, yes. Speaker count 1. Watts per speaker 15W. Security. Security bar, Kensington lock, password protected interface. IP rating, IP6X. Noise level, min, 27 decibels. Eco-friendly laser light source. With the latest laser technology and higher power conversion efficiency, the product saves up to 47% of power consumption compared with a lamp-based projector at similar capacity. High power consumption and mercury pollution in traditional lamp-based projectors are gradually replaced with more reliable, mercury-free, and eco-friendly lamp-free laser projectors. Laser projectors are durable with up to 30,000 hours. Lifespan, eco, and 24/7 operation, which save cost on the lamp replacements, and has a long-term lifespan for any professional applications. Optoma projectors can display true 3D content from almost any 3D source, including 3D-compatible graphics cards, 3D broadcasting and the latest generation 3D media servers.